The Prime Minister, in his address to the nation, has very clearly put forth the stand of India regarding the war against Pakistan, and in a very clear terms, he has sent a very clear message to the whole nation, and in fact to the entire world. Then terror and trade cannot go together, and that talks and terror cannot go together. And he had very clearly said that this is as this a century or is not a century of war. At the same time, it is not a century of terrorism. And the Prime Minister has very clearly said that India has taken revenge of the Pahalgam attack by targeting the terror camps in Pakistan, and a number of terrorists have been killed in the army operation. And the Prime Minister has saluted each and every armed forces on behalf of each and every Indian citizen. At the same time, the Prime Minister have also made it clear that the made in India arms and ammunition have proved to be a very solid arms as far as war is concerned. And he has also very clearly given a very clear indication to the whole world that India will not tolerate any kind of terrorism on its soil, and India will not be blackmailed by saying that such and such country is a nuclear power, so we must go on the we must be very cautious. So in his address to the nation, the Prime Minister has very clearly appreciated the operation of Sindoor, and at the same time he has very clearly sent a very clear message to the whole world about the stand of India as far as terrorism is concerned.